Welcome to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. I'm Miss Kimberly, and we are going to celebrate Cinco de Mayo by drawing a cute taco with a sombrero. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is draw a rainbow type line, and this is the top of the taco. Now just behind it, look where my line starts, I'm going to make the back side of the taco. And then underneath the taco, I'm going to connect the lines. So from this corner on the left, have a little curved line and then connect it to the back. I've got an open taco ready for ingredients. Let's put a little face on our taco. So we'll draw 2 circles for the eyes. Inside those circles, draw another circle and one more circle, your third one, which is the whites of the eye, so you color everything in but that tiny little circle. Cute eyes. And now the mustache. My first line goes up towards the eye and curves out. It's like an S on its side. Repeat the same thing on the other side. And then we'll add the bottom of the mustache, making that middle part big, curling up on the sides if you want that mustache. Add a little curved line underneath for the mouth, and we have a happy taco. Let's put a sombrero on this. So, to add the lines to the side of the hat first, I want you to curve a line out on the left and then on the right. Let's connect those lines with a curved line, as you can see. Almost looks like a boat right now. The middle of the sombrero will come to a rounded point, like a rounded triangle. Looks like a cone. And now I've added 2 lines behind to finish it. 1 line on the bottom for the hat so it sits on top of the taco's head, and then you can erase the lines you don't need. You can create any kind of pattern you want on this hat. I am just going to do stripes, and notice that my lines are slightly curved to give the hat a curved effect as well. I'm going to color those red, white, and green at the end, just like the Mexican flag. Now let's put some ingredients inside our taco. So I'm going to add some lettuce. And my lines are going to come a little jagged outside. There's my lettuce. Now inside, maybe I want some meat. I can just do some curved lines like this. And a tomato, which is another rainbow type line. And maybe even little bits of cheese. This will really come out when you color it in at the end. And now we're ready to color. Remember to add lots of colors and some shading from light to dark to really help your taco pop off the page. Now that's a happy taco. Thank you so much for doing another Draw at Home video with Tupperberry Art. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, come back and draw with me again, and have a wonderful Cinco de Mayo. Eat some tacos.